In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change issue type in Jira. If you've ever realized that a bug should really be a story or that a task needs to become a subtask, this process can feel harder than it should. The good news is that Jira gives you a built-in way to convert an issue without recreating it from scratch, which helps preserve your work history and keeps your project tracking clean. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top navigation bar, click on Projects, and open the project where the issue currently lives. This makes sure you're working in the correct workspace before making any changes. When your project loads, you'll usually see a board view, such as Scrum or Kanban, with your issues displayed as cards. From here, either scroll through the board or use the search bar near the top to find the exact issue you want to update. Once you've found it, click the issue key or the issue card to open the detailed issue view. Depending on your layout, this may open in a side panel or in a full page view. Now that the issue details are open, look to the upper right corner of that issue window for the three-dot menu. Click that menu once, then choose Move from the list of options. This opens Jira's issue modification wizard, which is where the issue type change happens. In the next screen, find the field labeled New Issue Type. Open the drop-down menu and select the issue type you want to change this item into, such as bug, task, or story. After selecting the correct destination type, click Next to continue. At this point, Jira may ask you to review field mappings. This happens because different issue types can require different fields and layouts. For example, one issue type may need information that another one does not. Carefully review anything Jira asks you to confirm, then fill in any required fields that appear. Keep your entries clear and concise so the issue remains easy for your team to understand. When everything looks good, click Next again. On the final confirmation screen, take a moment to review the changes. This is your chance to confirm that the issue is being converted correctly and that important details like comments, attachments, and assignment information remain in place. Once you're satisfied, click the Move button in the bottom right area to complete the conversion. Jira will then apply the change and refresh the issue with its new type. And that's it. You've successfully changed an issue type in Jira while keeping your workflow organized and your project data intact. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next